Okay, so next we verify the mortgage information. We verify the value of the house, so we know what we owe. We know what we can get for it. Next is the condition of the property. Uh, Doing this for a while, you'll get a pretty good idea of what to look for when you walk through a house. If you're new and if you aren't really confident in that, in walking through a house and knowing if the electrical needs to be updated or any other issues, then either hire an inspector or have your uncle that's been working on houses for 50 years, whatever the case may be, have them come over and take a look at it. But I can generally walk around the outside of a house, walk through the inside, and have a really good idea about what I'm going to need to spend to get that thing ready for market or to get a new person in there, a buyer, or if we're going to sell it in an as is situation. So you want to verify the condition of the property. If you're remote, how can you do this? And get this question a lot. And you're going to have to hire somebody. And we've got a specific list of photos that you need to, and I believe we've got something. If we don't, we'll put it together. But I believe we've got something out there with the list of photos that we generally get taken in a remote situation. There are some very specific photos, some videos that you want. You can hire somebody to do this for you. Real estate agents will do it. Property field inspectors are a good source of getting this done. You'll see posts in Facebook groups for boots on the ground. And go ahead and hire somebody that's used to doing this stuff. Hire a real estate agent, hire a property field inspector. Get into some of these property field inspector groups and offer to pay $20 for a photo package, and you'll have 100 people respond to you. Most of these guys work for $5 an inspection or $10 an inspection. So get somebody in the cities that you like to work in, but verify the condition of the property. That's our next step.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.